In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Starling Bank app. Firstly, download the app on iOS or Android platforms. Provide personal details and verify your identity with the photo ID. Then record a short video as instructed to confirm your identity. Once verified, you'll receive your account details and can start using the app. If you want to send money, transfer funds to other accounts using account numbers or mobile contacts. You can also do nearby payments, which is sending money to nearby Starling users without needing their bank details. And also you can send money abroad with competitive exchanges and low fees. So, get a breakdown of your spending habits on the Spending Insights categorized for easy analysis and receive real-time alerts for all transactions, helping you stay on top of your finances.